Hi dolls. Today on Plastic Surgery Vintage Edition, we're reviving this charming little cryptid, Schwabinchen. She's sticky, shiny, smells a bit like grandma's attic, but she's got potential. She's gone through every stage of decay short of crumbling into dust. The plasticizer in her vinyl has basically thrown in the towel and melted. I'm starting off with a mild vinyl cleaner, gently wiping away whatever that was. And then her leg fell off. That's right, I barely touched her and pop, off it went. I'd say poor girl, but honestly that's just poor manufacturing. More on that later. Someone in the 60s was like, stable legs? That's an optional. Originally, she had these mysterious white spots. I thought it was mold, but then she turned shiny and I realized, nope, the plasticizer is just straight up melting. Just like me in the Italian summer heat. Someone please save me. To rule out any mold for real, I gave her a relaxing bath in vinegar and denture tablets. Then it was time to tackle the dreaded green ears. A little removes it will do the trick here. And then she sunbathed, which was probably the most glamorous part of her life so far. After her extended vacation in the sun, I popped the leg back in with no anesthesia. Then I neutralized the removes it with Formula 911. Now, her hair, oof, she's sparsely rooted, like early onset male pattern baldness sparsely. So I had to separate the bangs and strategically split the plugs to hide the bald spots. It's comb over couture over here. One of the more evident signs of poor manufacturing can be seen on the back of this doll's head. Because the neck and the head are one singular unit, they couldn't access the inside of the head through the neck hole, so she has an open scalp, which I fully thought someone had taken a knife to it, but apparently all of them are like this. Weird, but okay. Then I tied it all down with some pipe cleaner so it stays in place. I swear I tried my best to protect the hair from getting wet with a plastic bag and everything, but that didn't work out. She also had some pinprick damage to her torso, probably from some sadistic kid. I patched those up with UV resin and I color matched the spots using the same paint I mixed for Build Lily. Now, let's talk Schwabinchen. She's often called the younger sister of Lily. They share the same father, cartoonist Reinhard
Beautien.
Beautien. That is exactly what I meant. Dude, my German is so rusty. After Lily bowed out of the Bild Zeitung in 1961, Schwabinchen popped up in the Bavarian newspaper in 62, looking to fill some big, high-heeled shoes. She was also made into a doll, but never reached Lily's level of commercial success. Think of her as the Jen Brady of German fashion dolls. Her quality was not great, which, as we've seen, is putting it lightly. She was aimed at a younger crowd and is now surprisingly rare. Depending on where she was sold, she went by either Schwabinchen or the much wilder name, Willy Wildebras, which would be my porn star name in another life. She even made an appearance in the Bull Doll article, Cosmetically Challenged Dolls. Ouch. But honestly, I think she's charming in her own mischievous, slightly feral way. There's a sly, playful expression to her that I really love, and those hands are super expressive. Oh, and by the way, I was feeling so confident about the shade match on the chest until I watched the footage back. And as soon as I was done with filming, I actually took it all off and just stuck to the clear UV doll. And that, my dolls, is a lesson on why everything needs to be reversible when you're restoring. Oh, and by the way, these plastic post earrings, perfect for Schwabinchen and all of your other vintage girls, so you can prevent green ear too. And they are available now on dodearwonderland.com. Do I at least get kudos for trying to shamelessly plug my earrings while trying to be funny about it? To finish off the look, I borrowed the headscarf from my Fabiola of Hollywood doll, which I think really ties in the look. And it helps cover up a bit of that hairline if we're being honest. And she is done. If you love this transformation, or you just enjoy listening to a grown-ass man blabber on about ancient plastic dolls, make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at dodearwonderland. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and I will see you soon. Bye!